guys, welcome to A Gluten-Free Life with your host, Christina, that's me, and my grandma, which is off to the side now. She's gonna, she was waving hello. We're gonna try a couple of festive cookies, white chocolate from Walmart, and also dark chocolate. Now, grandma's gonna try the dark chocolate one.
Yes, please.
She wants to try the dark chocolate ones, so, as for me, I'll be trying both, because I like both dark chocolate and white chocolate. So there's that cookie for Grandma, if she can bite it. It's
Good. Peppermint is fine.
supposed to be, I think.
I mean mint.
Mint, peppermint.
Not bad.
You gonna keep that one then? Okay, so she's gonna keep hers. She likes hers. Not bad. Not bad at all. I like this.
Me too.
All right. Okay. So that was the dark chocolate. Here comes the white chocolate. Do you want to try white chocolate? Okay. Yeah.
No, thank you.
Grandma likes her dark to milk chocolate. So I don't know. Am I the only one that likes white chocolate in the family?
I don't know. I don't think so. I think it's just me.
You think it's just you?
I
Well,
don't like white chocolate.
so here's a white chocolate. This is how it looks. I should have showed you the other one. Okay. That's what it looks like on the inside. The dark chocolate is more peppermint-y than this one. Because even though it has peppermint on the top, it's really good. And all that. But, thank you for coming to A Gluten-Free Life. And I'm your host, Christina, Grandma on the side. And, I'll talk to you later. Bye.